Craig Galbraith here with Channel Partners at Channel Partners Evolution. Really excited for our new Exhibitor News Desk segment. And I've got with me Bernard Breton, CEO from Adaptiv Networks. Bernard, how are you?
Very good. Nice to see you, I would say, again.
Yes, absolutely. We've done this before. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Adaptiv Networks for folks who don't know? Tell us about your company.
Sounds good. Adaptiv Network is an SD-WAN vendor. We focus on providing network as a service when it comes to SD-WAN, focusing mostly on the mid-market and the small enterprise, small businesses, where truly a frictionless experience is required. The simplicity of SD-WAN is important for those small businesses that are going through digital transformation. I mean, there are no businesses out there that aren't in some ways going through digital transformation. That's really the people we work with. Of course, with an indirect go-to-market model, which is why we're here.
Yeah. I want to talk about SD-WAN, hugely hot topic on the channel.
Yeah.
What differentiates you guys in SD-WAN from some of your competitors out there?
Yeah, as a vendor, it's always very important. The market, it's an exciting market, it's a growing market, it's a disruptive market. It ties with a change in terms of the pattern of how data is consumed by services and applications. But as a vendor, it's very important to understand how are we positioning ourselves. And as I said a bit earlier, for us, we use the term frictionless a fair bit, and it describes truly what we are achieving, our goal in terms of delivering that value proposition of unbreakable internet access in interset communications for smaller businesses. And it's really about the simplicity of use. So our focus, first of all, is in terms of the mid-market and the smaller businesses where they're not looking for a highly complex, bespoke SD-WAN solution. They just need something that will work and that will support their business moving forward, because most of those businesses have largely outsourced their IT. The last thing they want is to have a complex solution that will ultimately hinder their ability to just go about their business, whether they're a retailer, a healthcare, they just want to do their business, either cure people or sell clothes or other things.
Right, absolutely. Leave the tech to the experts, right?
Absolutely.
So you guys are over there in booth 538. What are you telling partners, and what are they telling you over there?
Yeah, yeah, we're there right here on booth 538, and it's great to be here because we get a sense of how the partner ecosystem is also shifting. As the digital transformation is happening, as businesses are relying increasingly more on all forms of IT services, from network connectivity to unified communication to cloud solutions, that transformation itself is making the entire go-to-market of a lot of vendors to shift. So for us, it's very important to be here, not only to build our own partner ecosystem, but to understand and keep the finger on the pulse as to how is that environment, that channel environment, changing, and all the conversations we're having really are helping us better understand and refocus how we're creating value for all actors in the ecosystem. Us, of course, but the partners and the end customer. It's great to have a product that works, but if you're not able to properly come to a point whereby your partner is able to tell the story to their end customers and actually create value for themselves in terms of retention, in terms of course, being able to generate margins, you're missing the boat.
Good point. Bernard, thanks for your time, and good luck to you guys at Adaptiv, and I hope more people are headed over to your booth.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Thank you very much, and we'll be here next time.
Okay,
Thanks.
Great.